Introduce yourself.
Hello, good morning. I'm Leofis S. Yamson from Inabasan, Hamtik Antique, married and blessed of 4 children, 15 years old, 8 years old, 5 years old, and 3 years old. My husband
2
is
years old.
3 years old,
Three.
ma'am.
Okay. Oh. Okay. So if you come Hong Kong, who will take care of your kid?
My husband and my mother, my own mother.
Okay. Okay. About your educational background, you're a high school graduate or college graduate?
College graduate, ma'am, Bachelor of Science in Agriculture.
Oh, agriculture.
But agriculture,
Okay. So like about farming, gardening, like
yes,
this, right?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. I see. So it's a 4 years course, right? You finished the course 4 years, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. Okay. How about your working experience in Singapore? Since which year to which year?
2015 to 2016, ma'am.
2015. So 1 years and 7 months, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What you need to take care in Singapore? How many kids? How old are they when you start working?
I clean their house because their house is 3 story and they
Mm-hmm.
are 8 families members. Two adult, two old elder, they are ano ma'am, husband and wife elder, and they
Seven
have
or six family member.
8, ma'am,
Eight. Okay.
and they have children, the boy and girl, they have and married. It has 3 family member, ma'am.
I want to know how old were the kid? Any kids they have?
Yes, ma'am, they are 4 years old and 1 year old. They are grandchildren of 2 elders.
Oh, so it's a big family.
Mhm.
Okay, grandchildren. So what is your main job duty? You need to take care of the 1 years old and 4 years old or the elderly.
The elderly, ma'am, the elderly, they take care of the kids.
Okay, so how about your main job duty?
I clean only the house, the 3 story house.
Okay, so you know you don't have to take care of the kid.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is your daily routine like? What time you wake up?
I wake up 5 o'clock and I finish 10 or 10:30 like that.
It's okay. So how about 2 months in KSA? Why only just 2 months?
Because I cannot, my employer before, they are maltreated me, and my employer, they bring me to the, what is, like a school. My female employer, they bring me to the school, then the school, I clean that, and she has a friend, I clean the house also of her friend, like that.
Oh, okay. So only 2 months and you just go back to Philippines. If you ask for the help from the governments in Philippines or
Agency.
if you ask the agency to help you.
Yeah, I asked them to help me,
Mhm.
the agency in the Saudi.
Oh, okay. The department in Saudi, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Which year you go KSA?
2024 to 2025. It's October 31
Mm-hmm. Okay,
to January.
but in the interview they didn't mention about this.
The Pardon,
In,
ma'am.
before you go KSA in the interview, if the employer mentioned that you need to clean the school, you need to clean
No, ma'am.
her friend house.
No, ma'am.
Okay, the school is their school or their
They
teacher.
like they have what is art ano art like that in the school. They have a art ano, ma'am, doing art
Okay,
work.
doing art.
Mm.
Mm-hmm. I think so. You cannot stand anymore.
Yes, ma'am. And my female employer, she has a bad attitude like that.
I see. I see. So you just go back to Philippines. How about your working experience in Philippines as a helper? Can you tell me?
I worked before, like before I work after I work in Singapore, I worked them on Imelda Santos.
Which year
Ma'am,
in Philippines?
July 3, May 2016 and 2018. Like that, ma'am.
Okay. What is your job? Philippines? 2 years, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Take
I
care, kid.
take care children,
How
the
old?
kids. 6 years old the girl and 10 years old the boy.
Mm. Okay. What time you wake up for this job? You take care of the kid.
I work. I wake up at five in the morning and I
Mm-hmm.
finish 30 like that.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Well, after you wake up 5 a.m., you wake up. What you need to do?
I clean the house and sometimes I go to together with the children to bring them in the school.
Okay. So what kind of breakfast you can make?
Um, Cleaning the house and
Oh, I mean, what kind of breakfast you can make? What breakfast you make for the kid?
fried egg like Filipino foods, mom.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Fried egg,
How about when you are working in Singapore? Do you need to cook Chinese food or Singaporean food?
Singaporean food.
Mm-hmm.
Fried ano? Fried vegetables,
Mm-hmm.
steamed fish, and sometimes they make a soup.
Mm-hmm. It's a Chinese soup.
Ang is a pork, then they put a corn, the
Mm.
lotus, like that.
It's Chinese soup.
Yeah,
Okay, it's quite similar. It's quite similar. Singapore and Hong Kong. Um,
lotus
yes. How many years you want to work in Hong Kong?
until my employer needs.
Okay. Do you have your own dog and own cat in Philippines?
We have a dog.
You have a dog, one dog.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm. Okay, I
but we
see.
don't.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.
Thank you,
Okay.
mom.